Welcome to the Source Code. Today, we're getting our hands dirty with one of the biggest promises of the AI revolution, actual real passive income. We're going to break down step by step how an AI can build an entire business from the ground up. We hear the term passive income thrown around all the time, right? But let's cut through the hype. Can an AI really, truly build a profitable business from absolute zero in just a single day? We're about to find out exactly what that looks like. So we're going to follow an AI agent as it builds a complete, totally launch-ready e-commerce brand. The brand is called Wag Voyage, and this isn't theory. This is a live fire exercise, a case study in how a business can be automated from the very first spark of an idea. Okay, so where does any great business start? By finding a profitable niche. Now, a human might go with a gut feeling, but the AI, it starts with cold, hard data. It's not guessing. It's calculating the clearest, most efficient path to making money. And you can see, it doesn't just pull one idea out of a hat. The AI scans market data and validates several top-tier niches for 2025. You've got smart home gadgets, eco-friendly apparel, and for each one, it's not just saying why it works, it's backing it up with actual evidence from industry reports. Now this is just as important as knowing what to sell. It's knowing what not to sell. This is the AI doing crucial risk management right at the beginning. It's filtering out all the oversaturated, high-risk markets, fidget toys, generic phone cases, basically protecting your money and your brand before you've even spent a dime. So with a niche picked, in this case, high-quality pet travel gear, the AI starts to define the brand's voice. And we're not just talking about a logo here. This is a full-blown communication strategy. It's designed to build trust and really connect with people who don't just see themselves as pet owners, but as pet parents. All right, the strategy is set. Now the AI switches hats. It goes from being an analyst to being a builder. It starts putting together the actual Shopify store piece by piece. You can honestly think of it like a high-speed assembly line for a website. And check this out. The AI doesn't just list a product's features. It automates the entire setup. It picks a product with good margins, writes this really compelling emotional copy for it, sets the price and the SKU, and even gets the inventory tracking all configured. All of this is done in minutes. And this right here, this shows you the creative power we're talking about. The AI isn't writing a boring spec sheet. It's crafting a story. It's selling the feeling of relief, of adventure, not just a pet carrier. This is what sophisticated marketing automation looks like. Of course, it doesn't just stop with one product page. The AI then goes and systematically builds out the entire digital storefront. We're talking collections, policy pages, the homepage structure. It's building the complete, legitimate, trustworthy foundation for a real business. And here's the kicker. In just a matter of minutes, the AI puts together a storefront that doesn't just work, it feels trustworthy. It pulls in all the elements that you, as a customer, expect to see. Testimonials, security badges, clear policies. It builds a site that's ready to take your money from day one. The store is built. It's beautiful. But a store without customers is basically just a hobby, right? So now the AI shifts into its marketer role. It creates what we're calling a generative pipeline to automatically pump out ads. This table basically shows you the AI's playbook for making a TikTok ad, and it's not just one tool. It's a chain of specialized AIs that all work together. MidJourney creates the scene, VO animates it, HiggsField digitally inserts the real product, and ElevenLabs generates a super realistic voiceover. The final result? A complete hyper-real video ad, all done without a single camera or a film crew. And it goes way beyond just standard ads. The AI can pull off these really sophisticated viral marketing campaigns. You remember that whole Surabhi thing with Michael Cera? An AI can do that. It can generate paparazzi photos or leaked audio to create an entire brand myth, blurring the lines between fiction and reality to get massive organic buzz. So with the store built and the marketing completely automated, you're probably asking yourself, okay, so what's left for me to do? Where do I even fit in when the AI is doing all the heavy lifting? It's a fair question, and this right here is the key. Your role completely shifts from manual labor to strategic oversight. You become what we're calling the final accountability layer. You're not the one on the assembly line anymore. You're the editor-in-chief. Your main job is to approve, deny, or redirect what the AI is doing. This chart just lays out that huge paradigm shift perfectly. You stop being the person who does all the things, and you become the person who directs all the things. You're not writing copy, you're reviewing it. You're not coding a web page, you're just verifying the layout. This is really the new model for being an entrepreneur. You're the strategist, the final decision maker, guiding the AI as it executes your vision. So let's circle all the way back to our case study, Wag Voyage. After just a single day of the AI working, it is now fully built, it's being marketed, and it is ready for its very first customer. This is the incredible power of an AI agent in action, a complete automated value-driven business totally poised for launch. From market research all the way to marketing strategy, every single piece has been built and integrated. It's ready to go. So look, this technology is not some futuristic concept anymore. It's a tool, and it's sitting right here, right now. We just watched it build an entire business from the ground up. So the question is no longer if an AI can build a store. The real question is, what will you build with it?